Hello, and welcome to our video on the behavior of light. Light is a form of energy that allows us to see the world around us. In this presentation, we're going to explore 3 ways that light can interact with matter: reflection, refraction, and absorption. Reflection is the bouncing of light off a surface. When light strikes a smooth surface such as a mirror, it is reflected back at the same angle at which it strikes the surface. This is called the law of reflection. Refraction is the bending of light as it passes from one medium to another. You might have seen refraction when you look at a dry road and the road appeared to be wet. The hot air above the road refracts light and causes the illusion of a wet road. For example, when light passes from air into water, it is refracted. This is why objects appear to be bent or distorted when viewed through water. Even though this pencil is straight, the pencil appears to be bent and distorted when the light rays reflected from the pencil pass through water instead of air. Absorption is the process in which light is absorbed by a material. When light is absorbed by a material, its energy is converted into heat. Lighter colors reflect more light than darker colors. An object appears to be white when all colors of light are equally reflected from the object. An object appears to be black when all colors of light are absorbed by the object. This is why darker colored objects generally heat up more quickly than lighter colored objects, since they absorb more light energy that is then changed into thermal energy. Reflection, refraction, and absorption are important because they are responsible for many of the things we see around us. For example, reflection allows us to see our own image in a mirror. Refraction allows us to see objects underwater. And absorption is what allows us to see colors. I hope you enjoyed this presentation on the behavior of light. Thank you for watching.